Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. This video will show you how to prepare this delicious meal you see on your screen right now. It's actually very easy to prepare and you can eat it with anything. I mean anything. I paired mine with boiled plantain. Let's begin. So we have our ingredients. We have yellow bell pepper, sliced tomatoes, pepper. We have curry, thyme, stock cubes, vegetable oil. We have nutmeg and garlic. First things first, you want to pour your oil, your vegetable oil in a pan. When it's ready, it is a high protein breakfast to kickstart your day, and you are going to enjoy it. It is very delicious. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and leave a comment below if you are going to try this. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.